Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. Cyberlux is up over 30% since I bought in. It did touch one penny where we got pushed down. If we can break, let me start doing some technical analysis for you guys. For those of you who are still in it, I'm still in it. I only sold half of my position. So I made a cool 1.5K. I'm holding the other half for 100%. If this goes to one, I think it would have to go to, let me do the math real quick. It would have to go like, yeah, if it goes to 0.013-ish, I can take profit for 100% gains and I'll make 5K-ish, somewhere around there, which would mean I'm about to make 10K in my first week of the year, which is insane. But 10K, that's crazy. But I mean, we got in two pumps, right? This one pumped 20%. This one's about to pump even more if it breaks above one penny. So it makes sense. If you're putting in 10K, you flip it. I mean, you're gonna make eventually 10K. So AITX, we'll talk about that in another video. But CYBL, for all intents and purposes, I sold half, and here's why. And I want you to learn from this if you're new to the channel, because I have a lot of people new to the channel. The reason I sold half is because I don't want to be like those people that bought in and then they hold for more and then it comes right back down to where they bought in at. And then they're sitting there like, oh no, I should have. They're like face palming, like, oh my God, I should have sold when I was up 30% or 50%. I should have sold. Oh, why did I hold it? I should have sold. And then they kind of just hold it and hope that it goes up again, which it may or may not, right? You never know. But I don't want to be like those people. So I sold half and then I'm going to hold the other half for 100% gains. It has to go to 0.013-ish in order for me to get that 100%. Now let's look at the levels here. Our biggest level is going to be that one penny. If we break one penny, we're going to overcome a lot, and I mean it. We're going to overcome a lot of sellers because this is where usually sellers step in. You can see in the past we broke above it and came right back down. Broke above it, came right back down. It's a very difficult level to get over, but if we can go over this level, then we can go as high as 1.2 and then potentially 1.4, which, like I said, that's 100% gains. I'm out with my position. I'm never going to complain about 100% gains. Look, guys, I'm going to tell you right now, if this goes 100%, I'm taking my profit. And then let's say I take profit here, up here. Let's say it does go to 1.4. I take my 100% gains. I sell the rest of my position. I sell the other half. Woohoo, I made 10K in a week. Now, hypothetically, let's say it goes to 2 cents and then 3 cents, 4 cents. Well, I know some of you are going to think, well, you're going to miss out if you sell too soon, right? You're going to miss out. Yeah, you're making 100% gains, but you're going to miss out on the 300% or 400% if it keeps going. But I'm okay with taking 100%. I'm okay with 20%, 50%. I'm okay with that. I don't think about, like, I've been in stocks that they run like 500% after I bought in, and I only took 30% or 50% of that, or 20%, whatever the case may be. I don't care. I made my money. I'm on my way to making 10K in the first week. I'm looking at the big picture. I don't care about, like, oh my God, if I had held, because too many people, they beat themselves up over the head because, like, oh, I should have held, I would have made more. Or they beat themselves to the other side. Oh, I should have sold instead of holding it down, hoping for more. So hopefully, as a lesson, just try to break away from that mentality. There's some people in the Discord who are new and they still have to, like, get away from that mentality. Like, be okay with 20%, 30%. I talk about that in my Word document in the description below. Be okay with it. Buy the bottom, it goes up, take profit, dump it on the people who want to hold the bag, okay? It's that simple. So there are your levels. The bottom is very clear. I mean, I like buying bottoms. I like big bottoms. My whole channel it revolves around slapping that big ask at the big bottom. That's what it's about. And there's your big bottom down here. When it starts going sideways, that's when you want to buy. No one wants it down here. The volume is low. No one cares about it. Everyone's sleeping on it, kind of like color stock and all the other stocks that have pumped recently from lows of under $1 to, dollars. That's how you make the most money in the markets. And you take, if this had broken down, you would have taken like a 20-25% loss, but the risk reward ratio was too good. 25%, or you lose 25%, or you make 25%. Or possibly you lose 25% or you make 100% if this thing keeps breaking out. If we break out above 1%, look out above. for 1-2. I'm surprised at the strength we're seeing here. I'm guessing because there's no news, there's no PR. I checked. I'm like, there's no PR here, so I'm assuming it's moving on people excited about the potential because it has 7 significant contracts under negotiation. And you just have to sit on the position. I know some people haven't gotten in and they're just kind of sitting back and waiting. Someone in my Discord asked me, should I jump in? And I'm like, nope. Wait for 007s. If this comes down to 007s, guess what I'm going to do? I'm not going to cry because I didn't sell the rest of my position. I'm going to be happy because I sold half, and now I'm going to add to my pile for the actual run. This is nothing. This is just moving, I'm assuming, on people seeing the potential after doing their own due diligence beyond just watching my YouTube videos. That's what I'm assuming. So yeah, there's no PR here. There's nothing. So again, I'm pretty sure this is just people getting excited. But yeah, we're making money, guys. We are making money. Hope you guys are making money as well. It's only been 7 days, no, 6 days. I just looked at the bottom here. It's only been 6 days, and we're well on our way to making 10K. If you're following me with the amount that because when I alert in Discord, I let you know, hey, I'm going in with 10K at 0068. That's where I got filled at the ask because I usually slap that big ask. Because when the stock is sitting here going sideways, nice and cheap, no one cares about it, no one wants it. I'm not gonna sit on a bid. I'm just gonna slap that ask because I know what's coming. I know what's coming. Now keep in mind this move here, this previous move. I'm just gonna let you know right now. This previous move was based off of the FAQ coming out. And so this moved in anticipation of that, then came back down nice and cheap. So I implore you not to chase if you're not in it. Let's see if it comes down back to 006s, low 7s. That is where you want to load up. And that is where I will be looking to add. Please don't chase. I'm not one of those channels that's going to tell you guys, oh, watch out. This can go, dollars. Watch out, guys. Yeah, please chase it so I can dump it on you because I'm actually a really bad trader and I'm a scammer. No. Buy when it gets cheap. Buy when no one wants it. If you missed out on color or all those quantum computing stocks that ran from lows to highs, this is how you make this is how you make the money. This is how I just got tongue tied. This is how you make the money. So wait for that barcoding price action down here, nice and cheap. I think that's it. I don't think I have anything else to say. Let me look at the volume real quick. 27. Yeah, you know what's really pathetic? When I look at this price movement. It moved from a low of 0.06 to 1 penny. It moved more than AITX has, even though AITX has at this point it has like 1.3 billion in volume. These past 2 days we've had over 1 billion in volume, and the best it can do is move from a low of 0026 to 005s. It can't even move 004s. It can only move 002s. It takes so much volume for this one to get moving. And that's why I sold this one for 20%. I'm like, you know what? I'm getting out and I'm moving into the one that has the share structure to move pennies if it gets that kind of volume that AITX has. You got to be, at some point, you grow up as a trader and you make the big boy decision to trade higher quality penny stocks, higher quality stocks in general. AITX, I love trading it. But this year, I've decided, you know what? As soon as I can get out, I'm getting out, and I'm not going to focus on. I'm done with this one. It's not a high quality penny stock. Let's keep it real. I showed you guys not that great of a penny stock. This one, just watch out. Watch out. I'm telling you right now, this is going to go to pennies this year. I'm going to pound the table on this until you get how the game works. And you're going to make hand over fist money off of this channel. I'm not just one of those finance channels that goes blah, blah, blah. I don't actually have skin in the game. I'm just good at reading, whatever. I'm good at reading too, but I tell you like when I'm entering and when I'm getting out. Anyways, look out below for a dip buying opportunity. Look out above for 1-2, then 1-4. And if you're going to make 100% gains, let me know if you're making money off of the channel. Let me know if you're making money off of this play or AITX. I want to hear you guys because I did not realize how many people were actually making money off of my channel. People don't tell me. If you don't tell me, I don't know, right? If you don't tell me, I don't know. But since people have been joining the Discord through Patreon, I'm like, whoa, I didn't realize like how much of an impact I have on people. because of my transparency. More than anything, I built this channel on transparency and letting you know, here's my thought process, here's why I think this, here are the levels, here's where I'm buying, here's where I'm looking to sell. Full transparency. That is it for the video. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Half of you are not subscribed. I'm like, what? Let's get to 10K subs. I want to hit 10K. Let's get there. That's the best I can ask for from you guys. Watch my videos, get in the plays, make your money, hit that subscribe button.